To enable and use Game Turbo on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open the Game Turbo app. You can try to find it somewhere around the home screen or the app drawer, or alternatively, you can go inside the security tab on the Xiaomi app and then scroll down until you find the Game Turbo in the tools right here. Now, after a moment, your Game Turbo should open. And from here, let me zoom in my camera so you can see there's some of the settings that we can adjust. So first of all, you will see the games. So you can instantly start playing games with Game Turbo, but you can also adjust the settings for it to make it better. So let's click on the gear icon in the top right corner right here. And here, most importantly, activate Game Turbo. Then in game shortcuts, you can swipe from the side edge of the screen to view the shortcuts and turn it on and off. Content recommendations can be turned off. We don't need that. Remove added games from home screen. This means if you activate it and add games to your Game Turbo, they will be removed from the home screen. I wouldn't recommend that. Or if you want to always launch your games through Game Turbo, then you can do that and just launch the games through this app right here. You can uninstall game, add home screen shortcuts to the Game Turbo, and finally at the last, add games. So click on add games and add whichever games you want to play with Game Turbo. Then there's the performance tab. Here you'll be able to adjust the performance for the games. First tab is performance mode. You can activate Wi-Fi optimization to reduce Wi-Fi network delay, which results in the less ping during the gameplay. Optimized touch controls increases touch response and sensitivity when playing games. This can also be great. Then we have the memory exceptions. If we select that, we'll be able to add games to the list of memory exceptions. So it will use full memory when you add a specific game right here. Then there's MI Wi-Fi speed boost, which also increases connection speed with routers. You can activate it if you like. There's lower screen brightness automatically to save power after 3 minutes of inactivity. So if you don't want that to happen, then turn it off. Next is the game DND. This is Do Not Disturb mode, and you can adjust the Do Not Disturb mode for Game Turbo. So that means if you start a game, it will automatically enter that Do Not Disturb mode specifically for Game Boost. So there's Enhanced Experience, restrict selected system features with, and you can adjust which settings for this Do Not Disturb mode should toggle, like turn off auto brightness, turn off reading mode, restrict screenshot gestures, and don't open notifications shade. Then we have restrict buttons and gestures that you can enable or disable. When it's active, you shouldn't be able to access buttons like the this quick ball right here, or the gestures like Google Assistant and etc. So that is all of the settings for Game Boost. Now what you can do is just go back and start any game and have the full experience with that feature. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.